We plan every part of our lives, our careers, our holidays, even our bucket list. But how often do we plan for the one thing we all know is certain? Our passing. Life doesn't always give us time to prepare. Death can arrive quietly without warning, leaving behind a silence full of unanswered questions. But you can give your loved ones the answers before the questions even arise. By planning ahead, you make sure they have clarity, comfort, and peace of mind when it matters the most. Mitt Arv helps you make that plan so that their questions never go unanswered. Our platform lets you securely store your financial details, important information, and heartfelt messages for the ones you love. Everything reaches the right hands exactly when you decide. Our vision is simple but powerful. No one should be left in financial or emotional chaos after losing their loved ones. To bring that vision to life, we built two products, Asset Vault and Emotional Will. With Mitt Arv, you can safeguard everything that matters. Your financial details and asset information with the Asset Vault, and your words and memories with the Emotional Will. Ready to get started? Download Mitt Arv on the Play Store or App Store today. When you open the app, you'll be greeted with a guided tour. Short, simple, and made to help you feel at home. Sign up with Google, Apple ID, LinkedIn, or email and start securing your legacy. Once you're in, the homepage welcomes you. Right at the center, you'll find List a New Asset. Tap on it to start organizing and securing your financial life, all within the Asset Vault. You'll see a list of asset categories. Pick whichever you want, add in the details, upload documents, label it for easy reference, and hit save. And voila! Your asset is now securely listed. After listing your assets, head over to the profile page and tap on Contacts. Here you can organize the people you trust, so that when the time comes, your information reaches the right hands without any delays or confusion. To add a contact, tap New, enter the details, and hit Save and Proceed. Want them in your trusted contacts? These are your just-in-case people. If you become an active on the app for a while, we'll reach out to them to check in. Trusted contacts are your essential inner circle for Very Life functionality. Click Add Trusted Contact to mark key contacts as trusted contacts. Our Very Life algorithm, short for Verified Life, continuously checks and confirms a user's life status, whether they're alive, terminally ill, or deceased. This ensures your asset information and emotional wills are delivered to your chosen people at the right time, in real time, during critical illness, or when you're no longer around. Sometimes trusted contacts may not respond right away. That's why you can assign a primary trusted contact, your main go-to person if others are unavailable. Want to keep more than one person in the loop or work together on your legacy plan? That's where our collaboration feature comes in. So you're supported not just by one, but by many. On your profile page, tap Collaboration and create a new group. Name the group, add contacts, and choose delivery time. Terminally ill, posthumously, or real time. Set each member's role, viewer, editor, manager, or admin, so everyone has the right level of access. Open View Group, tap Add Files, and select the assets you want to share. Collaboration keeps your loved ones informed, and if you allow, lets them help manage your assets. You've secured and organized your important financial details. But what about your feelings? That's why we created Emotional Will, to pass on your voice, memories, and love. Introducing our trio, Audio Emotional Will, that lets your voice be heard even when you're no longer around. Video Emotional Will, to share your thoughts, emotions, and presence just as you are. And Text Emotional Will, to leave clear messages, images, and wishes that last forever. With Mitt Arv, your financial life is organized and your heartfelt messages are preserved all in one place. Every legacy is different. That's why we let you choose the plan that fits your journey, monthly or yearly. Whether you're just starting out or ready to go deeper, we've designed plans that support every stage of your legacy journey. Start with what feels right for you. The free plan allows you just enough to begin sharing your heart and securing what matters. The premium plan is for those who want no limit to love, clarity, and connection. With our free plan, you can upload one document per asset, create up to only 3 audio and text emotional wills, create n number of video emotional wills within the storage limit, have one country for asset listing, form one collaboration group, and get started with 1 GB of secure storage. But when your legacy needs more space to breathe and grow, that's where our premium plan steps in. The premium plan allows you to create unlimited emotional wills, add and manage assets in multiple countries, upload unlimited documents and assets, create unlimited collaboration groups, and choose storage to up to 20 GB. Go to your profile, tap on subscriptions, choose your plan, monthly or yearly, and activate premium in just a few clicks. Unlock your full legacy experience. No matter which plan you choose, the most important step is simply getting started. Your legacy, your memories, your care. They all begin with one decision today. So what's holding you back? Start today and secure what matters for the people who matter.